Kitty learns to protect nature. Kitty and her family are going for holidays. Kitty, Pom Pom, do you know where we are going? We are going to a hill station. Wow, this place is so beautiful. That's right. There are so many trees. I cannot even count them. Ha ha! Wish we could have as many trees in our city. We can, Kitty. We have to learn to protect trees and nature. Never break branches or pluck leaves. Use the leaves or branches that have fallen on the ground. Do not allow trees to be cut. Every year, plant a new tree. Take good care so that it grows properly. Trees are like children. They also need love and care. Look, Mom, there's a nest on that tree. Yes, dear. Trees are home to many animals as well. Children, do you know the most important thing that trees do? They give us fresh air to breathe and stay healthy. We will promise to take care of the plants and trees and plant new trees too. Soon our city will be also become as beautiful. The end.